Okay guys, today we are watching dumb best in CSGO Pro moments. Let's start. What a setup! What the unlucky man! Oh my god! Very unlucky man! Oh my god! Can't believe my eyes! Yes? Okay. Okay. Do it! Hello mates! Hello mates! What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Oh my god! Like a Terminator? Yes? Yes, very huge unlucky mans. Yeah, yeah, do it, okay. Very nice shooting. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, don't panic man, don't panic man. Oh my god. He is very unlucky man. What the fuck is that? Classic CSGO. 3 versus 1, really? Oh my god. It is happening? Is it happening really? Yeah, nice mate. Bro, where are you? Oh my god. Hello. Very silence. He is very silence. Yes, nice. Nice shoot. He is very slow. He is very slower than other. Oh my god. Ferrari. Oh my god. Oh my god. He is joking. He is telling a joke. Yeah. Nice. Nice. What the fuck is that? What is your problem, man? Okay. What the fuck is that? What a door. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. He is very clever. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like a Terminator. Yes. Yes. What the? Yes. Nice knife. Where are you, go? Oh my god. Oh my god. Nice headshot. Nice shooting. Yes. What the fuck? What a reflex. What the bad reflex. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. What a poor man. Yes. Oh my god, very slow, man. Very slow, man. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Do it. Do it. What is your problem, man? What is your problem, man? What the fuck was that? What is your problem? What is your problem? What the fuck was that? I'm losing my mind. I can't believe all of this. Oh my god, nice headshot. Clean headshot. Very clean headshot. Yeah. Oh my god, what a bomb. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, he is burning. He is really burning. Yeah. You can't see anything. What the fuck was that? Yes, Nico. What? What the fuck is your problem, man? You can't eat anything in this game. Okay, what the fuck is that? Is this happening? Oh my god. Very nice shoot. Very nice shoot. Hey, welcome mate. What is your problem? What a bad reflex. What a slow reflex, okay? Oh my god. Nice shoot, clean shoot and nice knife. Okay. Oh my god. What is your problem, man? What is your problem? Thank you guys for watching me. Have a good day. Oh my god. Yes. What are you doing here? Oh my god. He is very not clever. Yes. Are you joking? Do it. Are you joking? Kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Clean shot. Very clean shot. He is superhero. Actually, he is superhero. Oh my god. Oh my god. Very nice fight. Thank you guys for watching me. Have a good day.